Right, here we have a GSX600F 1994 L-Reg and a choke cable stuck. So replacing the choke cable seems very straightforward, but it's a right bugger. Basically you've got to undo, the light here is awful, just here. That screw there, and on the other side, which holds the choke cable in as well. Disconnect that. This bit here comes apart. This bit here comes apart, and then you can get the choke cable into here. Comes apart nicely. Route the choke cable through with the other cables. There he is. Through the loop there. Excuse the bug roll. Coming around there. Round behind the fork, through there. Coming through here. And into here. So you've got to take the side panel off so you can get the oil tank out. And the other side panel you've got to just loosen because the electronic connector for the fuel tank is also needs disconnecting. So you just have to do these two screws here. One there and one there. On the right side of the fairing, pull them out, pull it out, and then you can get to the cable to disconnect the fuel tank electronics for the gauge. Don't forget to take out the negative terminal for the battery before you do anything, and every screw you take out try and put back and you won't lose it, he said. And after half an hour fiddling around, the best way of getting this end here back in is by putting the round metal bit into the connector there. Goes underneath there. This spring is really tight. And then using your choke as well, the lever, make sure it's extended fully, and then this bit here goes into that housing there. That there is the housing. So make sure you get the ball end in first, then it goes underneath, and then pull the cable, and the cable goes through a little gap in the housing there, and then this metal bit can sit in there nicely. Good luck, that's all I can say, but it does go in. My choke cable had snapped or stuck halfway through, so it was actually stuck in the open position like that. It's closed now, stuck open, and so when I started it, it just revved really high, so I had to switch it off straight away. And then we'll put it all back together, hopefully. So, there we go, all done, one completed bike.